I'm going to reveal the ultimate secret on how to make the most fluffy, delicious vegan eggs. And look at these. They're incredible. They're scrambled, they're fluffy, and they're very realistic and delicious. And they're actually made of 3 primary ingredients. And the ultimate secret ingredient is actually tofu. So basically, we're making a chickpea scrambled egg. So it starts with chickpea flour and plant milk, unsweetened plant milk. It's 1 part chickpea flour, 1 part plant milk, and then also some seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, turmeric for color, and then also giving it a mix. I'm actually adding a little more turmeric for color. And I whisk it so that it becomes a clear, runny batter. And you want to get all the little bumps off and just make sure that it's nice and mixed. And then you take some tofu, and then it's like 1/3 amount of tofu as well. So it's like a 1-1-1 ratio when it comes to chickpea flour, to plant milk, to tofu. And I basically just fork it, and so it's in little crumbles, like ground beef size crumbles. And then I add it to the mixture. And then I make sure that I get it all mixed together. And you want kind of like an oatmeal-like consistency, like kind of a wet oatmeal-like consistency. Now, the real important part of this is actually in the preparation, the real important part is in the cooking of this. Okay, so I'm adding this to a well-oiled nonstick pan. Basically, I pour it down and I try to flatten it and try to keep it as low to the pan as possible. You want to make sure that it's pretty evenly spread through the surface of the pan. And then also that there's enough oil so that it doesn't stick to the pan as well. So I'm basically just spreading it out into the pan and just making sure that we have kind of a uniform layer of vegan egg. And there it is. And you just basically let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then it's flipping time. Now, since this is not an omelet, I'm using a scramble. I'm flipping it in segments. But you can also turn this into an omelet if you spend a little extra time making sure it's all together. And so basically, I'm just flipping it in segments. I'm not scrambling it yet. I'm just making sure that I cook both sides evenly first. The top part and then the bottom part. And then once that's cooked through another 4 minutes, it's time to scramble. And here I am scrambling it. And for a finishing touch, what I do is I use some black salt. I know I see a lot of people using black salt in the beginning of the recipe. The problem is the black salt burns off. Here, it stays, and the salty, eggy flavor stays within the egg if you use it as a finishing salt. And then I'm constructing a delicious breakfast sandwich. And here it is. And yeah, I definitely you should try this recipe. It's really easy and it's fun. Thanks for watching.